Graphic design is everywhere, from social media posts and ads to logos, websites, and branding. If you want a creative skill that's always in demand, graphic design is a powerful career choice. In this video, I'm sharing the top 20 plus free graphic designer courses that can help you learn design fundamentals, tools, and real-world skills without spending any money. If you want to start or grow your career as a graphic designer with free certifications, make sure you watch this video till the end. Watch till the end and get access 40 plus free courses on skiller.com. Let's begin with the first category. Course name is Design, OpenLearn, the Open University. This course is a strong starting point if you want to understand how design works beyond making things look good. It introduces core design ideas such as how designers think, how decisions are made, and how everyday objects and visuals are shaped by purpose, audience, materials, and usability. You also learn how to observe design in real life and explain why a design works or fails. A key skill in professional graphic design communication. A free statement of participation is available after completion. Course name is Design Thinking, OpenLearn, the Open University. This course helps you develop a structured creative process for solving visual and communication problems. It turns ideas into a repeatable workflow of understanding, testing, and explaining design decisions. For graphic designers, this is valuable because real-world briefs require clarity and justification, not just creativity. It also strengthens visual literacy and communication with clients or teams. A free statement of participation is available after completion. Course name is Introduction to Graphic Design with Photoshop, Great Learning Academy. This course offers a practical introduction to graphic design using a widely used industry tool. It covers core design principles and shows how they apply in Photoshop-based projects like posters and digital graphics. You will gain hands-on experience with visuals, text, and layout while building confidence with professional design fundamentals. A course completion certificate is available after finishing the modules and passing the quiz. Course name is Free Graphic Design Using AI Course, Simply Learn Skill Up. This course introduces beginners to how AI is changing design workflows. It focuses on using AI tools to speed up visual creation, idea generation, and productivity. This is especially relevant today, as many design roles expect basic comfort with AI-assisted workflows. A completion certificate is awarded on course completion. Course name is Free Adobe Firefly AI Course, Simply Learn Skill Up. This course introduces Adobe Firefly and its role in AI-assisted creative workflows. It covers image generation, editing, and automation within Adobe's creative ecosystem. For graphic designers, it supports faster concept development, quick variations, and improved turnaround time. A completion certificate is awarded on course completion. Next course is Canva Essentials, Quick and Easy Design Skills, Great Learning Academy. A beginner-friendly course that shows you how to create clean, professional visuals in Canva for real use cases like social media posts, marketing creatives, and simple brand assets. It is useful if you want quick results without getting lost in complex software, while still learning basic design structure and consistency. Next course is Free Canva Course Online with Certificate, Simply Learn Skill Up. A short, practical course that helps you understand Canva's core tools and workflow so you can quickly design posters, social media creatives, and simple promotional graphics. Good if you want a fast learning sprint with a completion certificate you can add to LinkedIn or your resume. Next course is Graphic Design Essentials, Canva Design School. Covers the building blocks that make designs look professional, design principles, typography basics, color and contrast, and how to structure layouts so your work looks balanced and intentional, not template-like. Useful if you want stronger fundamentals that improve every design you create. Next course is Typography and Layout, Canva Design School. Focuses on making text-based designs look clean and readable through hierarchy, spacing, alignment, font pairing, and layout structure. This is especially useful for posters, presentations, Instagram carousels, and brand documents where typography quality decides how professional your work looks. Next course is Creating a Logo, Canva Design School. Teaches a more brand-thinking approach to logo design, shaping concepts, choosing styles that match brand personality, refining variations, and building a simple logo system you can apply across different assets. Great for beginners who want logo projects in their portfolio. Next course is Learn Graphic Design for Beginners, HubSpot Academy. A short, practical course focused on core design fundamentals you will use in everyday design work: color theory, typography, imagery, and composition. It also covers how to build a simple brand style guide and create consistent visuals for social media, blogs, newsletters, and websites. Good if you want a fast refresh on fundamentals with a marketing/branding lens. Next course is Introduction to Graphic Design, NPTEL, IIT Hyderabad. A structured academic course that covers foundational graphic design and information design topics such as typography, publication design, and branding/identity. You learn for free, and certification is available by registering for the proctored exam, paid, as per ENTEL's certificate rules. Strong option if you want a rigorous base and a recognized certificate pathway. Next course is Algorithmic Design, OpenLearn, the Open University. A creative, hands-on course where you learn to generate patterns and design variations using an algorithmic approach, great for modern pattern design, generative posters, and experimental visuals. It also helps you think systematically about iteration and testing designs. Includes a free statement of participation on completion. Next course is The Power of Infographics in Research Dissemination, OpenLearn, the Open University. Focused on turning information into clean, readable visuals. Useful if you want to strengthen infographic layout, hierarchy, and data visual storytelling, charts, annotations, clarity, and audience fit. Includes a free statement of participation on completion. Next course is PRDV 200, Communicating with Data, Sailor Academy. A practical data visualization course that helps you present insights clearly using design principles, how people process visuals, dashboard basics, choosing the right chart, and telling a story with visuals. Helpful for infographic designers and anyone building reports, dashboards, or presentation visuals. Sailor offers free, verifiable course completion certificates. Next course is Graphic Design Essentials, LCI Education, edX. A solid fundamentals course that helps you understand how professional graphic design comes together: layout, typography, composition, and visual communication. It works well if you want a structured learning track instead of scattered tutorials. And you want to build a cleaner, more consistent design style over time. You can usually access the course content in audit mode, and the verified certificate is typically available through an upgrade on edX. Next course is Use Canva to Design Digital Course Collateral, Coursera Guided Project. A hands-on, practical mini-project where you build real design outputs inside Canva, step by step. It is especially useful if you want quick portfolio-ready assets like promo graphics, worksheets, and branded course materials, and you prefer learning by doing rather than long theory-heavy lessons. Next course is Ultimate Graphic Design Course, Create 40 Practical Projects, Coursera, Packed. A project-heavy course designed to build skill through repetition and variety. You work on a wide range of real-world design formats, social media creatives, branding assets, print-ready material, and more, which is great for learners who want measurable improvement plus stronger portfolio range. A shareable certificate is offered on Coursera, based on their enrollment terms. Next course is Diploma in Graphic Design, Allison. A broad beginner course that introduces core graphic design principles and also familiarizes you with common tools used by designers. Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign are referenced in the course overview. It is useful if you want one course that touches fundamentals, tools, and portfolio direction, including basic logo creation and portfolio guidance. Allison courses are free to study. Certificates/diplomas are typically available via a paid option on the platform. Next course is Graphic Design, Allison. A beginner-friendly course that starts from the ground up, including a quick understanding of graphic design history and the basic ideas behind good visual communication. It is a good choice if you want a lighter entry point before you move into software-specific courses and portfolio projects. Allison courses are free to study. Certificate options are generally offered separately on the platform. Next course is Design Your Future. A BA Graphic Design Taster, FutureLearn, a practical, graphic design course where you learn by creating, drawing exercises to improve observation, poster/layout fundamentals, logo design thinking, and simple animation experimentation, ending with a mini portfolio. This is ideal if you want to test your interest in graphic design while still producing tangible outputs. Next course is Graphic Design Essentials, Introduction to Typography, Future Learn. A focused typography course that helps you understand how type choices affect readability, tone, and brand personality. It is very useful if your designs look unfinished mainly due to weak font pairing, spacing, hierarchy, or layout rhythm. The course page notes that completing the required steps and assessments leads to earning a certificate, as per Future Learn's course rules. Thank you for watching. 20 course links waiting for you in the description box.